Hello, welcome back. I'm Adoge Daniel Skilolo. So let's proceed from where we stopped in the last video on how to install plugin and create page. Set up your SEO was part of our last training. So today we are going to be using the Thrive Architect to design our sales page, our squeeze page, our landing page. It's quite easy. Just go along. I'll try to see this video to be very short and understandable. Alright, so this is where we stopped in the last class. So we are just going to launch our Thrive Architect. This one you are seeing here is what we are going to be using to build our website. So click it and allow it to load in a new page. Still loading. Don't forget, since you are using your phone, always turn your browser to desktop mode. Once you open this Thrive Architect, it will open on a new page. So even if you are using desktop mode on another page, once you come here, launch desktop mode again to be easier for you to actually design using desktop mode. So waiting for it to load. So we are in. It has loaded. Now from what you are having here, this place is talking about you want to build from scratch. Starting from beginning is that normal page. But this other side means you want to collect a template that's already built for you. All you need to do is to pick it and edit it. Are you getting me? I normally use normal one, but let's take a look at the pre-built templates before we go on. Just touch it. It will open like this. Go down. So these are some of those built templates. Okay? This is one. So they're asking, do you like it? So if you like it, just click it, edit the word to what you want to talk about. Are you getting me? So like this very one here can contain your heading. Like for those that are selling affiliate products, you can simply input like what Tony did, how to make 750k in a month. Are you getting me? The text you are seeing under this very little is this first one is the heading, while the one below is subheading, while the other one is a button. So some people may not have time to go through your whole sales page. So once they see what they are looking for from the heading, the subheading also go a long way, explaining it briefly for them. They can go straight into what you are trying to offer them. Now the reason for a long sales page is to convince those that are still doubting. But some, they don't doubt. Before they even come into your funnel, they've read about what you are offering already from Facebook ad. So to be easier for them to go in with that. Are you getting me? Now if you are using phone, this page may not look like this. It will be this one first, this one second, this one under of it. Are you getting me? But somebody using desktop, it will open like this. So this is one of the pre-built templates. Let's run that one. Okay. It said I help let's say I help you to achieve 6-figure income monthly. Are you getting me? So all of these are built the same way. The first thing that your page should contain is a good heading, a captivating heading. At least your heading should be able to tell them to go down and read more. If your heading is not good enough, they are leaving your page. Now, after the heading, there should be a subheading that also explain briefly more about that. So take note of that. And then copywriting, then a button. You see again. So in the process of writing plenty notes like this, you may not have time to add button again. So at the top there's already a button. So once they come, those that are taking instant action can take instant action, and those that want to go down will have to go down. Now let's take a look more. You can see then, okay, these are latest articles if you wanted to read more. So you can see different of these pages. This is smart landing page. Let's see what they have. Getting it. So you can do different things with Tribe Architect. You can pick one of these, practice with it, your choice. Are you getting me? So that's what we are talking about. This is a consultant explaining more about their business to you. You want to book a free call and realize. So you can do so many things with this. I don't really want the video to be too long. So let's take a look at the second side. This is for a webinar. So you can easily remove this thing here and put your own video, your heading. So that's just it. This is a lead magnet here. Why they should submit their email to you. So let's go back and go through MC page. So let me explain more of those other things for you from the MC page. You can do so much here. I've used it before. That is, you have a free book you are giving out. I've designed with this very one, and it's very, very easy to edit. This is for webinar. So just remove this, put your presentation there, a recorded webinar, and you are good to go. So let's go back. All right. So this one is empty one. You want to build yourself. Now there are some things you really need to understand here. First is that once you are building, after anything you do, please and please save your work. Are you getting me? Save your work. In case if your system reload or something, you can still have your work. After designing one, save. After designing, save. If you forget to save, they'll remind you. I think they have 60 seconds reminder, a bit 2 minutes reminder. They'll remind you that if you not save your work, please save your work. Are you getting me? You can also collapse this, as in let it go down by using this button here. Let me show you how. Just touch it. You see, it will close. That means you want a full page to work with. It's also important to use it. I'll show you. Then at the bottom here is you want to know how your site is faring. Desktop mode. Somebody is using desktop, somebody is using phone. And please make sure that your sales page match phone standard, because 98% of people that will be coming to your site will be using their phone, not system. The second one you are seeing there is talking about you are using iPad and the likes of it. So let's continue from where we are. This is desktop mode. Then another thing you also need to understand is this button you are seeing right here. What things you are seeing right here? That what you need to build your website. Are you getting me? So you're taking a look at them one after the other. So let's go. So if you want to add anything, this first one you are seeing here that has a plus sign is where you add anything you want to add. So let me show you. Just touch it. So once you touch it, you look at something like this. This one is asking that what do you to add to your site. Are you getting me? Everything is here. This one means you want to add a new block. This one means you want to add text. This one means you want to add image to your website. A call to action where they will click and go to another page. This one is dividing your work into column. This one is background section. This one is adding content to your work. This one is template. We'll be going through them. This one is for logo. You want to add a logo to your site. So there are different things that are here. As you can see, you want them to share your work to Twitter with one click. Is where this one comes in. Are you getting me? This is countdown timer. We have evergreen. Evergreen is like set your timer to 1 minute. To 1 hour. Anybody that come, that timer will be started from 1 hour. Even if you come and you go back, you see start. But once they save your code, so where you stop, if you stop at 30 minutes, when you come back, you see from that place. Evergreen timer. So this one is you want to add credit card. They can make payments. This one is you want to add HTML and so much more to your site. You can see. There's one that this progress bar is if you want to add it. Maybe somebody you are asking question type of landing page like the one they did for twice. You can easily use that one to actually go about it. Use for social button. You can easily share your work. You want to ask for rating or follow on social media and the likes of it. They are numerous. I get me. You want to add testimony, you want to add video, everything are here. You want to add audio, everything are here. So welcome on board. I'll be saving this video here. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to use these tools. So see you in the next video. I don't get any skill by name.